changes me. See, I don't know how, but there's power when I'm on my knees.
You are my supply, my breath of life. Still more awesome than I know.
I see.
Ayun, nag-wedding say, ha?
Bente na lang yan.
This is first.
Bente na lang.
Napatan niya 30.
30 na lang.
30. Only 30.
You are my reward, worth living for. Still more awesome than I know, and all of you is more than enough for all of me, for every thirst and every need you satisfy. Destined to die, poured out for all mankind.
In this world you will have trouble, but take heart. I have overcome the world.
Jesus, awesome and power forever.
Nahuhulaan niyo ba kung sino ang bida sa kwento natin ngayong hapon na to?
Si Patong? Ay, tama si Pastor Jason. Gusto nila? Patayin. Huwag tayo mamamatay ng tao dahil masama yun. Magagalit ang...
Batas.
Ang